is Reggie Middleton. I'm down on Wall Street right from the New York Stock Exchange, and I'm here to give a recap and a quick synopsis of my opinion of the mobile computing wars. Most people believe that the internet was a major paradigm shift, which I do as well, but it's also my opinion that the upcoming paradigm shift, which is the mobile computing wars, will be significant. It will be much more significant than that of the adverse event World Wide Web. The reason being, the World Wide Web gave a global network for all to take advantage of. But the actual mobile computing wars puts the ability for all to make a full spectrum in everybody's pocket. The mobile computing wars, in my opinion, are basically computers in the form of cell phones that nearly everybody has. There are more cell phones and smartphones being sold daily and annually than computers, and that trend is actually going to increase over time.
Notwithstanding the drop in growth from the recent recession and ongoing recession, depending on your perspective, PC growth has been tapering off as smartphone growth, also known as extremely competent mobile computers, have been skyrocketing. Just as the previous paradigm shift, the move to the World Wide Web, significantly increased the computing capabilities and changed the computing habits of both consumers and corporates alike, this upcoming paradigm shift, the move to the cloud, will do the same, but to a much greater extent. Cloud computing revenues are growing rapidly and should continue to do so for the foreseeable future. Soon all computing, or at least most computing, will be done in the cloud. The use of ubiquitous handheld computers, formerly known as cell phones, will be one of the major instruments in accessing the cloud. Certain entities have taken it upon themselves to take full advantage of the cloud computing opportunities ahead. Of course, all companies have not been keeping pace, including companies that were heretofore Wall Street darlings. A textbook example of such a company is Research in Motion, the manufacturer of the BlackBerry. Even though Research in Motion has strong fundamentals now, they are on the decline, as well as its popularity. Said decline in popularity has also been reflected in its revenue growth and top-line numbers, which have been on a decline as well. We have been supplying the tools, the analysis, and reports that investors need to measure these companies' values, such as our downloadable, multivariate, plug-and-play valuation model for Research in Motion. This particular tool has been invaluable and has helped our investors position themselves for the decline in RIM's share price. I welcome all to come and join us at boombustblog.com, where you'd find downloadable fundamental and forensic analysis. You'd find downloadable models, as well as ample opinion delivered through the blog. Remember, we're the ones that caused the residential housing crash, the commercial real estate crash, the pan-European sovereign debt crisis, the collapse of Bear Stearns, Lehman Brothers, General Growth Properties, Washington Mutual, Countrywide, the regional bank crisis, the municipal bond crisis, the investment bank crisis, and several other precedent calls. We've earned our stripes.